Alright, so I'm gonna use this funky tool I've had for years. See if I can get this around. Wow. That worked out a lot easier than I thought. I think it's just tearing. I think I'm tearing this inside edge at very hard to tell. Might not be tearing, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Kind of afraid if I pull it, I'm gonna break. I got a good thing going here. Not pretty good. And it looks like the window is ready to fall, so we might be able to just pull this and that was easy enough. Looks like that seal did a pretty good job. A little bit of crud in here. I might get some like spray and rust encapsulator, kind of sprayed up in there in between those pinch welds. A little bit of mud here, but other than that, it's a shame. I actually like that factory color, like a dirty bronze, copper. It's actually a pretty cool color. Alright, let's see if I can pop these wiper arms off. I don't remember how to do it, so I'm probably going to struggle with this again. I thought there was like a clip, push down, pull off, or if they just pry off. They just pry off. I think it's actually just really stuck. There we go. Well, this is where I'm at. I'm trying to see if I can cut down along here. I'm going to try to cut around the top. And hope I free that I can tip the glass out. But I'm not going to do that until I have assistance. I wish I had a good razor blade. For some reason I can't find any of mine. And my good ones are at work. So I may end up cutting my hand in half by the end of this video. Maybe I should have looked at this first. Some type of clip thing in here that looks like it holds some type of big gasket in here that looks like it holds the window in. Yeah, maybe I should have looked at that before I just started pissing around with stuff. Yeah, it looks like I could probably... I can already feel the window moving, so that's good. So it looks like these are held in by some screws. Yeah, see this? There's rust in here. I gotta take care of that, and who knows what's under the headliner. Alright, so looks like I gotta cut some more stuff on the inside and take that out. That piece looks okay. There's another nest of fair. Yep. Now, like I said before, other videos, I'm not building a show truck, but you can just see the extent of rust up in here. And it's probably from cab lights or them damn visors. You can see it was leaking all up in here, and bees took over. Yeah, so I think that's the next thing to do is see if I can cut this off, and then that window should just pop right out. And you can see cutting along the edge, and it frees up. Yeah, I can actually move the glass now. So now I'm going to cut along, well, not the bottom, I'm going to cut along the top and down that side, and that should be enough to tip the window out. I'm sure I don't have to cut the bottom, and then we will be good. Hopefully no one's in this spider's nest. I don't feel like getting bit. Yeah, the window's free over there. So we're going to climb out and see if we can pull it away from the window frame. Funny how I said I was going to wait for help, and I'm impatient. I'm just going to see what happens. Now I'm able to push it. I feel like I need to go along the whole gasket with something and just kind of break the seal, and hopefully not the window. this is where I'm scared. I feel like the glass is just gonna cut my fingers off. Okay, so much for waiting. Stopped by a fishing rod. Oh no. There we go. Window removal. Smash. Wow. Well, I'm happy I got it out. It's still intact for now. I don't know how I'm gonna get it down. Afraid to hold it. And this is where I break it. As I slide across the hood with a window, try to climb down with a window while trying to get it on tape, video. So if I do break it, I catch my death on camera. Ooh. Windows out. Looks like I got, I don't know if that's sealant, or if that's part of another gas. Oh, it's just maybe like, it looks like it's a foam tape. Yeah, you can see it trapped water up in here and it just rusted that out, so I'll probably destroy that with a wire brush or cut brush, and probably do the same with the back. Spray some rust stop in there, maybe have to cut a spot out. But other than that, I'm happy. Got the window out, still in one piece.